channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I'm like hyping people up. There's nobody over there, but they're hype. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the bell so you get all notifications for my uploads, because I do additional uploads. Okay, if you're already subscribed, you're my doll baby. You're my doll baby. I don't know. You're my doll baby. Okay, hi doll baby. So happy that you're here. This is a quick little show and tell. I did a video, a car vlog, saying how I'm like so in love with half wigs. I did a half wig haul. So who are we talking about? We are talking about Outre CECILY, and I have CECILY in the color S4/30. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And it says that she's like a new half wig cap, so it lays flat and it requires less leave out. So this is sort of like the standard cap. It has some of the older wig caps, or some of the older half wigs would have a big comb here, and instead it has 2 combs in the front and a very large comb in the back. She comes in quite a few colors. I scooped her up from Elevate Styles for $26.99. So let's talk about her. I love her. I love her. I love this color. This is a light yaki texture. Whoa, whatever wig I was combing had a lot of hair. I'm gonna put her in the 20-inch range. I'm 5'6½". And she's between 18 and 20 because she does have these layers. This is all the hair to the front, so it is a really nice density and it has a beautiful luster. She does have the yakiness, but she is soft. And let's look at her from the back. Movement is good. She has a really pretty color. She's definitely just a base number 4. You're gonna see a little bit of the 30. It's not super pronounced. I mean, it's here and there, but it is just really where if you have like sort of a natural brown, this beautiful sort of chestnut brown coloring, it's going to help it to add some dimension. So you can see how they're, you know, it's looking lighter here in different places. So that 30 is just really helping it to have some dimension. It's got these beautiful sort of like water waves, soft waves. I have the sides sort of pulled out, which normally I would cut into sideburns, which I'll just do right now whilst I'm talking. The wig cap is comfortable. It's not super bad or anything. Like, I usually take like an average wig cap. Outre wigs are usually bigger on me. This could work for someone who's looking for a smaller or a larger cap, just because of the construction. I do that so like if I want to wear it up or whatever like that, you know, there's just a little bit. I would probably like tuck my real hair back, but just do something like this. I'm going to be filming a haul after this for some accessories, some synthetic hair accessories, because I am going to start doing some styling and just giving you some options with these wigs. So you're gonna wanna check that video out so you can see kind of what I have available. And yeah, I love this. I'm definitely keeping this. I've been on this like half wig kick. It's very comfortable. It's so easy. I had to run to get my eyes checked. I've never had my eyes checked. I've never had like, I never needed glasses in my life till now. So that was an experience. I ended up getting, I actually only need like readers basically, so I only have like +1 in each eye just up close, but it was the blue light, I guess, that was bothering me. So I scooped these, I just want to share because I scooped these up from Walmart for like $9.97. And they have the blue light coating. And they're just like the cutest. Oh my gosh, you can see all the blue light in the reflection. That's crazy. But yeah, so they're just the cutest little glasses. So yeah, just thought I'd share. On my eyes, I'm wearing this palette, which is the BH Cosmetics Beautiful in Barcelona. Looks like this. I've been trying to share that, people asking, so I've been trying to remember to share it. So I did. And that's all I have for you. If you like this half wig or have any comments, put it down below. If there's another half wig from Outre that you would like to see, go ahead and put that down below. I'm gonna start a half wig playlist. So I'll link that down below along with the Outre. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so if you have. Thanks so much. This has like become an exit song. Like I didn't mean it to, but it has. So let me know if you like the exit song. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do so if you have. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.